Hi friends, in this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to create a custom pop-up opt-in form using Elementor Pro. Look at the demo that I have already created. I'm just closing it and refreshing the page. When I scroll down the page, the pop-up opt-in form will get displayed like this. Now, I'm going to explain the settings of creating this pop-up opt-in form using Elementor Pro Page Builder plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, Elementor template section, click Add New. A pop-up window will open up. There you need to choose pop-up option and you can name anything like pop-up opt-in for post and click Create Template. Now, the Elementor Pro will display some pre-built opt-ins. As we are going to create the custom one, just close it and you'll get the default option. Click plus button to choose the structure of the opt-in form. Here I am choosing the single column structure for the headline. When you look at the left side settings, you'll be able to find the option to change the background color of the headline. Now go to the Elementor section. I just want to grab my reader's attention and hence adding the animated headline element. I'm just dragging and drop the element to the right section and you can see the highlighted text. In the left side settings, look at the style options available and the shape option as well. You can see a curly, underline, diagonal, zigzag for the highlighted shapes, and now I am going with a circle, a default option. The text section is divided into three: before text, highlighted text and after text. Just we need to add the text in the specified columns. I'm adding the text in the before text. For the highlighted text, and for the after text. When you come under the style settings, you can adjust the width of the highlight. You can see the width of the highlight, it is increasing when I going up, and you can change the color of the highlight as well. Now I'm going with the default option green color and go to the next settings, headline. There I am going to change the text color of the headline. It is white in color. Now I am changing it to black. You can see the typographic detailed option like font family. You can increase the size of the headline, font weight, font style, line height, letter spacing. And these are all the useful settings to customize the opt-in form as you want. See, I'm increasing the line height and look at the right side demo, how it is changing. I'm going to the advanced section. To fix the animated text color, I am leaving it as white color. And to have a better look, I'm adding some padding effect. Now I am completing the title section and clicking the plus button to move on to the next section. There I am choosing the 2 column structure and dragging it drop before the headline section. First I am changing its background to blue, and now I would like to add some text in the list format. Hence I am looking for the option icons list, dragging and dropping it to the right section. You'll get the text to list in the bullet points. For the first point, I'm adding some text, and you can add an icon as well. I'm choosing the thumbs up icon and click insert. You can see the thumbs up icon got inserted in the first point. Likewise, you can do the same for the remaining points. Under the style option, you can increase the space between the text so that it will look more attractive. You can see the alignment settings as well. You can align wherever you want. Divider option is also there, and I'm not using it. And I'm going to change the color of the icons to white. And its size as well. Now let me add the text color. I'm leaving it as white color, and for every option you will get the detailed settings like we did in the headline section. Letter spacing, line height, and everything. And now in the right section, I'm going to add an image element. To add the image from my media file, I'm choosing this image and change its size to custom. Just I am giving the height and width as 200. See how it looks like. Under the style settings, you can see the border radius option. Just I am giving 100 to get the rounded border like this. And I am adjusting the width of the column to get the perfect fit. Under the advanced settings, you'll get the padding option to make the design better. I'm just moving on to the next section. Single column structures I'm choosing, and there I'm going to insert the form and dragging it, dropping the form element there. It looks like a contact form. Thus I'm disabling the message and other fields and keep the email field and button. You can customize the submit button as you like. Look at the options available. You can change the text, style, custom with alignment. You can add an icon. And now coming to the next actions after submit, that I am choosing MailChimp. You have to get the API key from your MailChimp account, enter it, and under the field mapping, choose email as in email. You can change the color of the button and changing it as black. These settings are comes under style option. See, the color has been changed, and I am moving forward to the advanced section to give some padding effect so that it will move to the center alignment and looks better now. Now the design got over. Just hit the publish button, and now we will get the 3 setting options: conditions, triggers, and advanced rules. When you hit the conditions, you will get some options: entire site, archives, and singular. See, these are all the options available for where do you want to show your pop-up opt-in form for your visitors. You'll get the detailed setting options. I'm choosing the entire site option, and under the trigger settings you can see 8 different options: on page load, when the pop-up should be available, and whether the readers scroll down or up, and on scrolling to which element, and display after the number of clicks, if they stay inactive, and when they try to close the page. So these are all the options available. You can use it and decide where you want to display your opt-in form. Here I am choosing the second option, on scroll down. Next, come to the advanced rules. You'll be able to see the 7 different options available. That is, it is to display the pop-up after the number of page views, after the n number of sessions, after visiting n number of times, or if they are specifically coming from different URL. So these are all the in-depth customization settings available in the Elementor Pro. It is highly flexible, and hence it is standing out from the crowd. You can enable the show on devices, whether to display on tablet or mobile. Now, once you've done the settings, just click have a look and look at the opt-in form created. Elementor is a very user-friendly page builder plugin, and you can go without any second thought. Thanks for watching the video.